In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add navigation menu on Wix. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable menu in your site's header so visitors can move around your pages with ease. Start inside the Wix editor, not in preview. On the left side of the editor, click the plus icon to open the Elements panel. This is where Wix keeps all the building blocks for your pages, and it's the quickest way to drop new features onto your canvas. In the Elements panel, look for the section labeled Menu and Anchor. This category contains all the navigation tools, including standard menus and anchors you can link to within a page. Open it to see your menu options. Next, choose horizontal menus. A horizontal menu is the most common style for a site header because it runs across the top of your page, keeping navigation clear and consistent. If you're wondering, vertical menus are better for sidebars, but for a traditional top bar, horizontal is the way to go. Now pick the menu design you like. Wix provides several presets with different fonts, spacings, and hover effects. Don't worry too much about perfection right now. You can adjust colors, fonts, and spacing later in the design settings. Choose something that matches your site style and click to add it. Drag and drop the menu onto your header. The header is the top strip of your site that repeats across pages, so placing the menu here keeps navigation visible everywhere. As you move the menu, watch for smart guides and the header label to confirm it's attaching to the header, not just the page body. Align it left, center, or right, depending on your layout, and leave a bit of breathing room so it looks tidy on all screen sizes. With the menu selected, click Manage Menu. This opens a panel listing your current site pages and how they appear in the menu. Here you can see what's already included and how it's ordered. To add something new, click Add Menu Item. You can add links to existing site pages, anchors on a page for smooth scrolling, external URLs, or even files and contact links. Give each item a clear, concise name so visitors immediately understand where it leads. Keep your labels short. Think About, Services, Blog, Contact, and reorder items to reflect your priorities by dragging them into place. When you're finished, close the panel and take a quick look in preview to test the links and hover states. If anything feels crowded, adjust spacing in the design settings. That's it. Your navigation menu is live in the header, styled to match your site, and ready to guide visitors exactly where they need to go.